Hey guys, it's Kylie here. So today we are doing the suspension for the CRV and let's get started. So I had these shipped to my house about 2 weeks ago. I know that 2 are shorter, 2 are longer. So I'm guessing 2 shorter ones go in the front and 2 longer ones go in the back. I got these off of carparts.com. No, this video is not sponsored by carparts.com, but I've basically gotten all the parts for the CRV off of there and probably will continue to unless I say otherwise. I want to take all of these out of the box and then I want to take like a picture of them so I can use them for the thumbnail. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Oh, it's rubber.
Yeah, take the rubber off. Try the other one.
It's for.
Wait, don't take it all the way off. Keep going. It's very hard. You have to push hard.